Welcome to everymantrades.com. So today I'll be showing you how to handle an external domain. So for example, you purchased a domain on any of the registrars, could be Namecheap, could be GoDaddy, could be Truehost, or whatever the registrar that you have purchased your domain with, and you want to connect your domain to our platform. So in the process of creating a new site, you just click on create new site, and then we have a domain segment here. So for instance, I'm gonna use a test of botblitz.org. So I'm gonna use maybe I can use botblitz.org or something else. Let me just think about it. So maybe you own a domain like learnitin.com. So learn it in maybe .site or whatever the TLD that you purchase the domain with. So first thing first, let me just key in an example of site name. So I'll create an application, but now using a custom domain that has not been purchased on within the platform. Site name will be maybe learn, maybe trade live, and then I'll maybe select premium trades. Then for the domain, I'll choose to be learnitin.site, and then I'll just proceed. And then for the branding, I'll just proceed because this is just a demonstration, and then I'll agree to the partnership and revenue share. Then I'll deploy my site. So the moment you deploy your site right there, then you'll need to set up the DNS records. So just click set up DNS records. You can see we show you the record that you're supposed to add. So just copy the DNS records and add it to your domain registrar, which could be Namecheap, which could be whatever the domain registrar that you use. Just copy it and then locate the DNS management segment in your registrar, and then type will be A, because for the root domain, the type most of the time, most of the registrars require it to be an A. And then this sign here signifies the root. You're using the root domain, and the value you'll just paste this amount here. If it's a subdomain, then the type here will be a CNAME, and then name here will be your sub, and then value will show you a different one that you'll just copy and paste it in your hosting, or rather in your DNS management platform. So that's how you set up an external domain in our application. So once you set it up, then you'll just wait for a few minutes for propagation to happen, which could take from 5 minutes all the way to 24 hours depending on your provider that you are using. So the only thing that you need to do, just keep on clicking check status, and then it will show you if your domain has been connected and is now pointing to your website. So that's literally it. And then you can just, if you want to see how many external domains are in your are connected here, you just come here to the external domain, and then you will see it here, and you can also read the DNS records from this point if you want. That's how you do it.